Let me show you how to enable and use the standby mode on your iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. First, let's go in the settings, and over here, as you see, you have your standby mode over here. Okay, and we can enable it. Also, I suggest you to go over here in the display and set it as you need it. So by default, actually, standby mode actually turns off after some time. So I actually like to set it never. So over here, and then basically to enable your standby mode. So if you basically have like a wireless charger that you can pop it on, that's actually the best way how to launch it. If you actually plug it in, it sometimes actually has some troubles understanding the correct position. So again, make sure your phone is positioned in around this. So and make it go to sleep essentially, and after some time, if everything is okay, you will see your standby mode appear. So it takes sometimes even up to like half a minute to start appearing. So you see, actually quite fast this time. So you see, we can see all the information here, and also we can actually swap around these things for different things here. Okay. And also we can actually swipe and change the different style of the standby mode. Okay. And again, if you disable the timeout function, essentially, as I showed you, it will stay like this, since you simply take off your stand and unplug it from the charging. Anyway, good luck.